Shooting creative and stable shots with versatile kit is important for the solo creator, and now it's easier than ever. Hey, I'm Chase, I'm a filmmaker from New Zealand, and today we're on set with the all-new Befree 3-Way Live Advanced from Manfrotto. The Befree 3-Way Live Advanced is an ultra-compact travel tripod, perfect for creators on the move who shoot a wide variety of content. It features the first ever foldable 3-way fluid travel head, making it perfect for photo and video creators. It carries cameras up to 6 kgs with ease, making it perfect for any mirrorless or DSLR rig. Today we're on set shooting a mix of travel content, so let's get out there. The Befree 3-Way Live Advanced features a first-of-its-kind 3-way fluid head, the Befree 3-Way Live Head, enabling best-in-class photo and video performance. Thanks to the new Befree fluid drag system, it makes performing smooth and judder-free video possible, while also acting as a highly accurate and adjustable 3-way head. This makes it the perfect head for creatives who shoot both photo and video. Using the roll axis, you can put the camera into portrait mode without losing stability, making shooting vertical social content easier than ever before. It's even rated to perform from -30 to 70 degrees Celsius, meaning no travel is too extreme. The head is dual compatible, meaning it works with both photo and video plates, the industry standard Arca Swiss or the Manfrotto 501 video plates. It comes with the 200PL Pro, which is a compact plate perfect for travel. One of the best things about this tripod is how lightweight and compact it is for being a real all-in-one support. Thanks to its reverse folding legs, it's only 40 centimeters long and weighs only 2 kgs, meaning it's small enough to fit in carry-on luggage or any regular camera bag. It even comes with its own compact travel case for protection. Moving between setups is easy thanks to the side angle selectors and quick power lock travel levers. By applying the same lock technology from Manfrotto's professional tripods, the legs are fast to set up while maintaining rigidity. With the side pull angle selector, the tripod operates at 22, 54 and 89 degrees, making a wide variety of creative shots easy. The Befree 3-Way Live Advanced features a Manfrotto EasyLink connector. By using a Manfrotto Magic Arm, you can easily attach small lights or monitors to the tripod directly, reducing the weight on your camera to get smoother moves or forego extra stands entirely. The Befree 3-Way Live Advanced is the perfect tripod for creators who want to shoot a wide variety of content for multiple platforms. It's ideal for accurately framed photos, smooth video, and it's small enough to take just about anywhere. For more info, head to Manfrotto.com.